Great day, everyone. My name is DeWan Brent Swan. I'm an Army veteran, active realtor with Coldwell Banker. I joined the 60-Day Millionaire because honestly, I was looking for like-minded individuals in the real estate space outside of what I was currently doing to grow my portfolio. And by God's graces and chance, I found Josh training online through a random Instagram video. And I got myself up that same day, went and immediately saw the in-person presentation. I was sold. Just based off of the network of individuals, professionals that he brought in. Me personally, I'm looking to take my business 10 times more seriously because I want to be able to financially retire within the next 10 years. What has this changed for me drastically? As a current house hacker, this made me double down on my rules, on my verification of income, on best tenant practices, on how to evaluate, analyze deals, and just networking with other professionals and getting out of my comfort zone. So I 10 out of 10 times recommend the Go Fish Fund Me community, and I'm so excited being one of the first alumni here. So thank you again, Josh, and shout out to all of the future millionaires.